I'm being so helpful. Here I am, cleaning.
The conversion has officially started. All the panelling is off, and so is the flooring. There is no going back now. This is going to be a really boring start to a DIY project because it's just an awful lot of cleaning. I mean, look at the state of it. Bloody it cleaning. Oh, this is going to be boring. I've also got to buffer some of these bits down, knock that off, that kind of stuff. I have no idea what I'm doing still. I've got these lights in and I have no idea how they're wired up. No idea what that is. Just got no idea what I'm doing. The next step is cleaning and fixing any rusty bits. So don't need to worry about the next step. After that, just worry about this part. And this is the bit most YouTube video conversion videos miss. The boring bits. Unless you're lucky enough and rich enough to buy brand new, you're going to spend a whole lot of time cleaning out all the old crap and repairing any rust. I would definitely recommend buying an electric sander for this, because doing this by hand was an utter ball ache. So that's the end of day one. I have ripped floorboards up, taken all the panelling off, sanded, removed rust, primed. Every area that's grey has been primed with anti-rust primer. I still don't really know what I'm talking about. And I've put these sound dampening / semi-thermal insulating sticky ons. Just got 2 more to go. And then I'm going to call it a day. I'm 1 day in and it's nowhere near as livable as it was this time yesterday. And it only took me 12 hours. On to day 2. I don't know if it's just me or if it's a common fear amongst all wild campers and van lifers, but my biggest fear is losing my van keys. So I thought I'd hide a key box underneath the van. Although I guess it's not very well hidden, as I just showed you where it is. Day 2 feels a lot more like a conversion. Got to chop all this wood down to make some battening with the sides. So once I've removed the lights and taken all the wiring out, I'll crack on with that. So I took all the lights out, but now I need them. I'm trying to drill holes in the floor, but I can't see anything. It's been so dry for 3 months now. We've had the driest season ever. As soon as I start working on the van, day 2 is done. I'm not exactly where I wanted to be, but I'm making this up as I go along, so really I didn't know where I wanted to be anyway. Managed to get some floor insulation and some battening done. Next job is to finish off the floor and to do the walls. Day 5 of the van conversion. So day 3 was a bit of a bust because I had a CBT so that I'm allowed to ride a little motorbike. Day 4, I was stuck getting blood tests and hospital appointments, physio appointments. So back at it today. I have spent the morning finishing off the last bits of the insulation, which are looking pretty good. And now I just got to measure out the floorboards, cut them, fit them, nail them in. Hopefully I can get all that done this morning. Progress is slow, but slow progress is better than no progress. Oh. Right, let's measure out these boards. Lucky for me, I'm not just a pretty face, and I saved the old floorboards so that I could trace around for all the difficult bits, like around the wheel arches.
Oh, like a glove.
The fluffy insulation I'm gluing onto the side of the van here is the first layer of insulation I added. It was all donated to me by Ange. Bags and bags of the stuff I got. Thank you so much, it saved me such a headache. And I needed all of it. Now the roof battening wasn't a simple case of just drilling into the metalwork. I had to bolt it through to make sure that the beams were level.
Fingers crossed these will go through. Alright, that's in. Now is the wood going to fit? It's not pretty, but it's on. So that's just the way life goes sometimes.
The second layer of insulation was formed out of these foam boards I squeezed in between the battening and the side of the van.
But now, when I use this room in the house, it's going to be full of dust.
Conversion has officially started.
You don't say that again without wiping your nose.
It's too much dust in it. That's recorded.
I'm pressing the brakes and the brakes ain't breaking. I'm driving my universe into a lake in the wait of the world, don't wait, we make mistakes. When it's all at stake, we cook our cake, we eat our cake. Sometime, no time for double take.
You can crop this, right? You heard it here first. So much crap. Literal